The following show is brought to you by American Spas.
This is one crazy tornado caught on camera. This is Liliana, and you're watching W3VA Daily. For today's What's Trending news, here's a clip of a tornado in Hattiesburg, Mississippi.
My name is Ronald Grant, and check this out. It's happening right outside my hotel. Look at that. Look at all that damage, dude. Oh, snap. Oh.
Ain't the only one video.
Oh, snap.
My name is Liliana, and check this out. Oh, snap. This is in Cloverfield, and that was so 2008. Today is Random Acts of Kindness Day. In honor of this zany holiday, nominate your favorite randomly kind videos on W3VA. Watch today's What's Trending video on W3VA today. Don't forget to vote for your favorite tornado videos. Remember, the more you vote, the greater your chances are of winning fabulous prizes. Oh, snap.